Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about digital marketing clickbait, what it is, how it works, and why it's both powerful and tricky. Imagine you're scrolling through YouTube or Facebook, and you see a headline like you won't believe what happened next, or this one trick will change your life. That, my friends, is clickbait. Clickbait is like a shiny wrapper on a candy bar. It grabs your attention and makes you curious enough to click. But here's the catch. The candy inside, the actual content, needs to be good, or you'll feel tricked. For example, let's say you see a thumbnail with a shocked face and the title "I quit my job after learning this." You click, and the video actually gives you valuable tips on financial freedom. That's good clickbait. It grabs attention but also delivers value. But if you click and the video has nothing to do with the title, like a random cat video, that's bad clickbait. It might get clicks, but it loses trust. So, the key takeaway? Clickbait works when it's ethical and valuable. It's like a promise. You grab attention, but you must deliver on that promise. Think of it this way. If you're selling a burger, the ad can say the juiciest burger ever. But when the customer bites in, it better be juicy. That's clickbait in a nutshell, attention grabbing, but always with value. Use it wisely, and you'll win both clicks and trust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations. Don't forget to subscribe Dr. Bro channel.